What's up guys, Yogesh here from Utilize the Business. As a business owner, you're thinking of moving to an online and starting an online digital business. Do you know what tools to use? There are so many different tools that is available to you. Some might be good, you might not use it at the start when you're just starting it. Some tools you should use it when you're growing your business. Do you have any idea which one to use when you're starting your business on online? Stick around. This video is I'm going to show you what tools you need to use it when you're starting your business online, and some of the tools that I'm going to show to you are really easy to use, and most important, they're cost wise they're much better than some of the tools that you might need to use it later on. Let's go. Welcome back. So as a business owner who is in a brick and mortar and wants to move into the online, while doing research, you're going to come up with a lot of different ways that you can have your presence online, how to do a lot of different tools. And I'm pretty sure by the time that you're doing research, they're just confused on what to do and comparing price to all different tools, what tools that they all needed. Now, I went through the same thing when I transitioned my business from brick and mortar to an online as a digital marketer and as a lead generation specialist. So some of the terms are, technical terms that it will, if you look at it, you will just go nervous or like that. Those are the terms that will, give you like, I don't know what these terms and these are those technical terms that you don't want to have an idea that they're just one of those hard things that only people who knows about technology or in and out about technology can be using it. But in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the tools, simple tool that you need just to start your presence online, and after you're scaling it, and once as you go along and you scale it, you can move to other tools that you need. You don't need to have tools at the top of the line, but you need to solid tools that will help you at the start and at the same time will save you a lot of money. So let's go, and I'm going to show you one by one what are the tools that you need. So the first thing you need to do is, just like your brick and mortar store or business has a name, so you need a name on the online. So if you're just transitioning your brick and mortar name to the online, you can just search and see if that name is available. The best website that I use to buy a name or the name that's on the online is Namecheap. That's the domain, and you can just go there and it's easy. You just you could find the domain that you're looking for, enter it and see. So the other thing I will suggest you is maybe the domain that you're looking for, .com, right? Maybe that's taken, but .net is not taken. So if you want, you can use that, or you can use some variation of your name and see if that's available if you want .com. So that's the first thing you can use it there. Now the second thing you need is to hosting it. So if you're using it for a website, you can use it, or if you want to use it for sales, to use this thing as an online for a sales funnel, then you don't need to use the hosting. But either way, if you are looking for a hosting, you do need the one that loads your web page really quickly. And in order for that, I have two names that I use it. The first one is SiteGround, so I use that website hosting, or you can I can do the other one that is really better one, really fast, and if you want to use it the higher end, which one is WPX.net. Now those are the two when I use it. I suggest you want to maybe start with this, and after you're growing things, you can go and later on you can transfer into the Wix if you want it. Wix has amazing customer service, get your answers and right away. So those are the things. So you have now your website name, your domain name, and you have a hosting. The next thing you can use is if you want to use is how you want to use your things. If you're looking for e-commerce, there are a lot of different things that you can do it for setting up a Shopify and all that. Now this video, I'm not going to go in detail about Shopify and all that, but when I first went through it, what I used is I used Sales Funnel to have my services being promoted. Now there are a lot of different software out there for a sales funnel. As a start, if you want to use it, I will suggest Builderall is one of the software. Now I'll just tell you the reason why. So if you're looking at the Builderall now, they do have niche funnels. What that means is, depending on what market that you're targeting or you're serving it, they already have the sales funnel built in that you can use it, so you don't have to spend a lot of time learning about it or hire somebody to do that. So if you're looking for it, these templates are there for you. It's already made for you, so you don't need to spend a lot of time. Now just give you an idea, I've just clicked on the real estate sales page that you can get this. Everything is made. All you have to do is just customize to what it is. Now if you want this, the link will be in the description that you can click and check out all the different sales funnels that are available, and if one is for you, you can use it. You don't have to spend a lot of time, and you don't have to hire another person and give them a lot of money to do that. So that's one other way to do it. The other way of doing it is, there is also for people who really wants to get going and really want to be on the right track for transition to an online. There's a program that is 30 days long. There's a challenge that's put up by Clickfunnels. It is called the Brick&mortar Summit. This one will just help you out in terms of if you really want to get your footing in the right way of how to move your business to an online. So the training here does give you an idea of all the different business owners who have transferred their business to an online, and maybe you can relate to one of them and see what they were able to use to build an online business which is successful. The training for this is $100, but it is worth it. I went through it and it is really amazing training, so that you get a nuts and bolts of how it is, and you get trained by people who are successful in that industry, and they give you assignments and all that to every day. So it's a challenge for 30 days. All you need to do is invest 1 hour of your time every day, so that you know exactly what tools you need to be successful on online. Now the link will be below, and they do run the challenge every month or so. I'm not sure. Those are my recommendation of once you are planning to transition to online, what you need to do. First, the domain name and the hosting if you need it. Giving you 2 different hosting, and then the third is how to use Sales Funnel, a pre-made template either from Builderall, which is all in one, or you can use the training by Clickfunnels. If you're still watching this video, that means you did enjoy what I have to say, and you are interested in moving your business or somebody that you know to an online. So all the links will be in the description. Go ahead and start using them and make it happen to transit into the online business. Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, because we do come out with a new video every week, and you'll be the first one to be notified. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.